Welcome to Sema4.ai Dynamic Data Access, the bridge that enables your AI agents to tap into the lifeblood of your enterprise, your data. Dynamic Data Access enables agents to seamlessly access your enterprise's past, present, and future data without creating new silos. Through zero-copy architecture, agents can connect directly to enterprise data sources while maintaining security and efficiency. Using the Sema4.ai Data Access extension in VS Code or Cursor, developers transform SQL queries into a curated set of verified named queries that agents can securely use. These queries execute deterministically, ensuring agents access exactly the data they need with high performance. Business users can configure data sources with secure stored connections in Studio and Control Room, making it simple to develop and deploy agents with data access. Using Dynamic Data Access, agents can securely execute queries to access real-time data from multiple sources as needed. Agents create rich visualizations from your data, spotting trends and analyzing patterns. They can turn these insights into action through Sema4.ai Actions, seamlessly connecting with your enterprise applications. With predictive models, agents go beyond current and historical data to anticipate trends and outcomes, enabling proactive decision-making. Explore the Sema4.ai Dynamic Data Access to enable agents with seamless, zero-copy access to enterprise data.